we, in addition to being able to look at dashboards and drill downs from a relational perspective, we know that there are going to be lots of questions about the whys. Why is that number so high, or why is that number not where it needs to be at this stage of the project, or that number seems incorrect in terms of delivery. I mean, that's amazing that it would be that high. We need ways to get into that information. We're clearly going to train our project financial analysts in how to use Answers Plus because we want them to help deliver the right tools to the business. But for those ad hoc types of questions where you need an answer quickly and don't necessarily have the time to pull together a new query to look at that information, or maybe the data isn't quite aligned the way it needs to be, we believe that by having a project cube on top of the project analytics, we'll have the right tools in the hands of our project financial analysts, or PFAs, to get at that information quickly and easily. We are giving them access to the S-Base plugin in Excel. As with any financial analyst, they have a lot of expertise in the Excel environment. They'll be able to extract that information in a very timely fashion and slice and dice that information in ways to provide those quick answers when the business really needs it. So we see that as an enhanced capability to what comes out of the box from the financial and project analytics tools. We are using both business intelligence and the Oracle S-Base components to provide our business with the kind of information that it wants in a timely fashion. We're firm believers that multidimensional reporting isn't the answer to all the business's needs because it's not necessarily going to raise the red flags when something's out of kilter. By the same token, the analytic capabilities of project analytics is great for dashboarding and drill down to find out the whys, but when you aren't getting every answer that you need, we're firm believers that you need something else to look and turn that data on its axes in order to get a better view as to what the breakdown is on the information. And the multidimensional Oracle Hyperion tools are just perfect for that type of implementation. We ultimately envision at some point the ability to look at a dashboard and start drilling down deeper into the information, and then maybe the next drill down would actually link us over into an S-Base cube to look at that data from a multitude of directions, and as we do drill down even further, maybe go back into business analytics and look at that at a report that's laid out nicely that might be distributed or discussed in a meeting, all the way down to there might be links there to take you right back to the transactional system to see what transactions are actually making up that entry within the solution. Oracle's made a huge leap with 11G in interlinking the multidimensional with the relational reporting, and we are anxious to embrace that capability, but we see it going even further than that and are looking forward to further enhancements from Oracle.